Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back in another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Zavetti Canada Daletto 2.0 grey joggers. If you've not seen my last video, go check it out. Bloody hell, I'm dying. And guys, sorry about that, I'm back. Okay, so if you've not checked out my last video, I got the jumper for this, the sweatshirt, which I'm wearing right now. Okay, so this is £55, but I got it for £35 because it's on sale right now. I wasn't expecting it to come on sale actually, because I've been waiting for a while and it just hasn't dropped in price. But like the other one I said in my other video, that just randomly came on sale and it came back in stock randomly in my size. So I quickly grabbed it. This one I quickly grabbed again and it's out of stock again. This is like a popular thingy. But yeah, for this one, the sweatshirt, very good quality. I've been wearing it for a few days now. Very good quality, very soft, and I love the zip pocket up here. That's one main reason about this as well. I'll show you that. I think you have 2 extra zip pockets on this compared to normal joggers. And yeah, I got a large on this one. Usually I'm a medium, but I've been getting a bigger waist slowly, so why not? If it don't fit, I'll switch it. Most likely will fit. Let's have a look. What the hell? Right, give me 1 second guys, let me pull this off with both hands. Alright, it is out. Look at the quality of that. So yeah, one thing I like about these pants is, and this top, the colour of it. It's like a shiny metallic grey. I love it. And look at these, this glowing. They're reflective. Got the Zavetti Canada logo there. Very soft material again. This will give me the full set from the top to the bottom. So you got a zip pocket here, perfect. Then you have these additional ones here. So you got 4 zip pockets on this one, as you can see. That's an additional bonus. You got 4 pockets, and they're zipped. I loved my zip pockets because I only have 2. 2 is usually good enough because I carry a coat. If I'm not carrying a coat, I've got 4 pockets here. I don't need to carry a coat anymore. Carry everything in these damn pockets. Amazing, isn't it? What the hell? Zavetti Canada logo there. Very high premium quality. What is this? Okay, you got the pocket on this side as well. So yeah, like I said, got 1 pocket on this side, 1 pocket on this side at the bottom, 1 pocket at the top, 1 pocket at the top on this side. So yeah, highly impressed guys. Highly impressed. And yeah, very soft inside. The last one was made in China. Let's see where this one's been made. Does it say? Where does it normally say it? On this thing, innit? This one made in China. Wish I could see. There. Made in China as well, yeah. So China's really up their game in the quality fabrics. Wow, that is amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna wear these now, see if they fit me. I'll give you a picture what it looks like, a video, whatever, on my legs. Let's see guys. Wow guys, these are very soft. Wow. Like I said, you got your 2 pockets here. Quite big, so you can fit random shit in there. You know what I mean, lads? Wow. Then you got your normal pockets. These are literally the perfect pants. Quite big as well. What the hell, guys? Why didn't they make this earlier? 4 pockets in one go, and then you got this extra pocket if you are in the full outfit. So you got 5 pockets. Put your phone, your keys, your wallet, whatever you want. You still have 2 spare pockets. Put some tissues in there to wipe your nose with, whatever you want, guys. That's incredible. Okay, let me show you. Let me do a spin for you. Oops, that is it. That's the full outfit. What do you think, guys? I'm highly impressed. I love the branding, and I love that both the logos on one side, so they're matching, aren't they? So yeah, highly impressed, guys. Thank you, Zavetti Canada. Beautiful lads. Beautiful work you done here. Very premium quality. Look at this. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.